Behold the kitchen at Artisans in Houston. A sweeping, sensational stage where the artisans here are in full view.
It's just pure theater here, and they should sell tickets.
A seat at this chef's table, and you'll be captivated the entire evening. A modern take and appreciation of French cooking at its finest.
It's the best restaurant in town.
Orchestrating this cast of craftsmen, the maestro, French chef and owner Jacques Fox, along with Louisiana-born executive chef Russell Kirkham, together innovating what they call eclectic French cuisine, specializing in stunning steaks and seafood paired with beautiful farm-fresh sides. Let's open this show with a sumptuous seared lamb loin, pan-fried in a luxurious layer of butter. Then layered on a scratch-made crispy spinach and corn galette and tender, vibrant haricot vert, served with a perfect little pot of French mashed potatoes, cooked in cream and butter. For the grand finale, a chorus line of show-stopping desserts, including this eye-popping tropical tiramisu. There's also the millefeuille au chocolat, a carefully crafted delicacy with luxurious layers of dark chocolate, resting in a river of cappuccino foam. You worked in a 3-star Michelin restaurant in France.
Maison Prunier in Paris.
So how does a classically trained French chef meet up with a Cajun-inspired, talented chef and make it work?
Almost fire him after a year of work here. That was very interesting.
He said he almost quit. I heard a different story.
Yeah. I am the old school guy.
Who admits he's learned a thing or two from Chef Russell.
I went to Jacques and I told him I wanted to do a fried fish. He said, no, you can't do a fried fish. You can't do a fried fish. So I did fresh corn-crusted grouper with butternut squash hash and Brussels sprouts with a smoked corn salsa.
Oh my.
In France, they don't understand the spices, so sometimes it's a little bit blind. That I went to Louisiana, and Russell is from Louisiana. We add another, increment to what we do, and so our food are very, very tasty.
Very tasty indeed, like the fabulous foie gras.
I say foie gras is like butter on steroid. Butter is good, but foie gras is incredible.
Chef scores, then sears the foie gras, while delicately toasting French brioche bread and pears perfectly poached in saffron.
Okay, it's all time nice to leave the meat a little bit settle down, like that, and can relax.
Yeah.
You need to remember your
I like
protein.
that. You can relax.
It's a muscles.
The dish is plated with baklava and homemade mango chutney, a dish that's transcendent. Cheers. This is one of those dishes you want to savor every bite. And don't forget to savor the wine while you're here. And the glass does make a difference.
Absolutely.
The shape of the glass.
It really does.
Artisan's impeccable wine list features a few special selections.
I try to keep that small, really good choices, but it's not 3 pages where you get lost. I want to make sure that it's a great bottle of wine, great value, drinking really well.
Oh, that's nice. Divine dining, wonderful wine, and a show like no other at Artisans.
The restaurant food is just amazing.
This is one of the best restaurants in town.
C'est bon.
C'est bon, c'est très bon.
C'est très bon.
Merci.